what do you think of that chair? Yeah! Is that a good chair? Oh, give us a smile. Good girl. Good girl, yeah! Lots of smiles today, huh? August 5th, 2009. Lots of smiles. Hi. Hi. Do you hear the beeping? Can you give us more smiles?